Before you watch this video, I want you to do one thing. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Now imagine yourself 5 years from today. You woke up, you look in the mirror, and suddenly one question comes into your mind. What if I had never given up? How different would your life be? How many dreams would you have come true? How many opportunity did you lose because you were waiting for the perfect time today? Today I am not here to entertain you. I am here to wake up you. Because if you truly understand the next few minutes, your life may never be the same again. So keep your phone aside, forget every distraction, and listen with your heart. There are two kinds of people in this world. The first kind they wait for the motivation, they wait for the right opportunity, they wait for the someone to believe in them, and while they keep waiting, life moves on. The second kind creates opportunity. They don't wait, they don't complain, they don't blame, they simply begin. The best time to plant plant a tree from 20 years ago, the second best time is now. Ask yourself honestly, which person are you? The one who wait or the one who act? Every successful person you know was once a beginner. Nobody is born confident, nobody is born successful, nobody is born extraordinary. They become extraordinary. Why doing ordinary things every single day? When nobody was watching, they were working. When others were sleeping, they were learning. When others were making excuses, they were improving themselves. Why they are successful today? Do you know what destroy most dreams? Not failure, not poverty, no bad luck. It is self doubt. The voice inside your head says, what if I fail? What if people laugh at me? What if I am not good enough? But have you ever asked yourself, what if succeed? What if your biggest opportunity is waiting just outside your comfort zone? Your comfort zone is beautiful place, but nothing ever grown there. If you want a different life, you must become a different person. Read more, learn more, work harder, complain less, respect time, stay disciplined, because motivation disappear, discipline stays. Life is unfair. Some people are born rich, some are born poor, some get opportunity easily, some have to fight for the every chance. But there is one thing nobody get more than you. 24 hours, not 25, not 30, 24. The difference between successful people and ordinary people is how they are used those 24 hours. Every minute you best today, because tomorrow regret. Every skill you refuse to learn today, because tomorrow is weakness. Every excuse you make today, Build the prison you will live in tomorrow. So stop saying I start tomorrow, because tomorrow because become the next week become next year, and one day you realize your whole life has passed. One day or day once you decide. Imagine your parents, think about their sacrifice, the sleepless night, the hard work, the dreams they gave up so you could chase yours. Don't let that the sacrifice go to waste. Use them as your motivation. Become will laugh at your people will doubt you. People will ignore you. That's normal, because people always laugh before they clap. Never stop to become someone does not believe in you. Sometimes the only person who need to believe is you. Listen carefully. Nobody is coming to save you. No rich uncle, no lucky day, no miracle. If your family need a better life, if your dreams are weak, if you want respect, then you have to earn it. Failure is not your enemy. Every successful person has failed. Thomson Edison failed thousands of times. Michael Jordan was rejected. Many great entrepreneurs face rejection before the success. The difference? They refuse to quit. Winners are not people who never fail. Winners are people who never quit. Don't compare yourself with others. Some else success. Don't reduce your journey. It's different. Walk up your own pace. Just don't stop walking. Even one step every day will take you further than the standing still forever. Now ask yourself, who do you want to become? Someone who keep making excuses, or someone who changes the family's future? Every decision you make today create the life you will live tomorrow. Repeat these the words with me. I am stronger than my fear. Again, I will never give up. Louder, I will create my own destiny. Believe those words, because the person who believes always goes further than the person who doubts. There will be the there will be days when you feel tired, day when the nothing works, day when you feel like quitting. On these the days, remember why you started. Remember your dreams. Remember your parents. Remember the future you are fighting for, and keep moving. Even if it is just one small step. Success is the sum of the small efforts repeated day after day. One day, people will ask, how did you become the successful? They won't see the night you cried. They won't see the failure. They won't see the sacrifices. They only see the victory. So keep working silently. Let your success make the noise. As this speech come to end, I want you make one promise, not to me, to yourself. Promise that from today you will stop making excuses. You will stop waiting. You will stop doubting yourself. And every single day you will become just one perfect waiter, present waiter, because 1% every day changes your entire life. Finally remember it.